Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn from Dada. In our professional job life, most of the time we have to make presentations for our meetings and we put a lot of effort on making these presentations to look good and be eye-catchy. And as the phrase goes, first impression is the last impression. Sometimes we spend a lot of time in looking for the right template and design for a presentation. But there are some simple tricks with which you can easily customize your PowerPoint and get some amazing results without searching for the right template like the right bride or the right groom. So friends, in our lesson today, we'll learn for how to create a unique opening page for a presentation. So without further delay, let's start, and Dada is here to guide you. We'll be creating a cover page similar to this. Thank you everyone for watching my video, and I believe this video was very much helpful to you. So please subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos.